You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah, yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am EISHATAYLORE. I want to do a straightening of my hair, U-part wig type situation. I don't feel like straightening my whole hair just because, like, the more you straighten your hair, the more damage you get, obviously. I haven't done this in quite some time, maybe like 4 years. These are the products that I'm going to be using today to wash the leave out that I'm going to be straightening. This is from Uncle Funky's Daughter, the Thermal Protection Purifying Cleanser. I got these from Curlbox. I don't know if you know that throwback type of box subscription for natural hair. I got these for like $10. It comes with another thing, 5 of these for $10. So it has the deep conditioner, the cleanser, the thermal primer spray, split end serum, which I mean you can never really, you know, whatever. It has a serum or something like that from this line, but I think I like this a little bit better. The Design Essentials Blow Dry and Silk Press Collection Weightless Thermal. Oh my god, the serum, okay.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my...
Alright, so the wig is nice and wet and clean. So I'm gonna just apply it to my mannequin head. I'll probably leave this down below, like where I got the mannequin head and a little thing to put it onto the table right here. If you got some wigs, baby girl, and you don't have like these little pins to put your wigs in, then you're not a real wig person. So I'm about to go ahead and put these on so I can properly blow dry. See, as you can see, so it doesn't go anywhere.
I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365.
This is what the hair is looking like. So the reason why I decided to blow dry it was to give it this texture. If I had air dried it, it would have just air dried super flat and not really looked like quote unquote African American hair. So this kind of has a little bit more texture and more body. Now it kind of looks more like a black girl got a perm, you know? Got a perm with a blowout. So this looks I already washed and deep conditioned my hair, but I'm gonna let this air dry actually, and I'm going to deal with this in the morning just because I don't want to blow dry my hair on, like soak my hair. But I wanted to show you guys that when you're doing a U-part wig, it's important to have an anchor braid or an anchor twist in my situation, which is 2 braids or twists. That's gonna be where the U-part wig lays, because you need something to have it clip onto. Without anchor, like twist or braids or something like that, it won't be able to lay flat, or it will grab onto your loose hair and probably cause breakage. So then I'm just gonna do a flat twist. A braid is honestly better, but I don't want to add too much tension to my hair, so I'm gonna make it a flat twist.
I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want you.
And for U-part wig, it's also important to make sure your hair is as flat as possible. So in the back, I did a couple flat twists. Either bobby pin them down or sew them down. I don't know which one yet. I usually just bobby pin them just so it's easier to take down and moisturize my flat twists. Now, like I said, for my leave out, I'm gonna let it air dry with no products on it. I am gonna braid it just so it can stretch.
Just want your time.
Alright, it's the next day. Hubby's playing video games, so I'm not gonna be talking much, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. It dried overnight, but I'm gonna apply like a little bit of water just to help stretch it. And my heat protectant, so I'm gonna be using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Maximum Thermal Protection Primer. I'm gonna use this. I'm also gonna double up and use the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protecting Spray, because we don't want no heat damage. And then the Design Essentials Blow Dry and Silk Press Collection Serum. I may use the cheat iron guard. I don't know yet. I got this from Marshall's. You know, you get it for the low. But I don't know if I'll need it. I'm using my Infinity Pearl Conair comb attachment blow dryer. It's missing combs because this has been through it. And the flat iron that I'm going to use is my new one. I have a cheat, but I feel like I've had that since like college. But I have my Infinity Pro Rose Gold flat iron that I got from Ulta. So again, just gonna wet it in a little bit. This looks so weird. Only because if you blow dry your hair on already dried hair, that's actually more damage because what are you drying? You know what I mean?
Just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time.
As you can see, it has 3 clips where the U part forms, and then clip in the back.
Spend a little time, spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. Long as you spend a little time. I just want your time.
Alright, the AC's on because I'm super hot right now, but I'm really trying to hide this part right here. What's being weird is that my hair is like super silky right now, which I can't even be mad at, but it's not like staying where I want it to go. I have this hair wax stick. This is from the Luvme hair. I actually got this when I got this wig. I'm gonna plug in my, what's this called? Comb. And I don't know why I got this comb. I think I got it from Sally's. I've had it for literally years, like since college.
I just want your time.
And I love how thin essentially it looks because then it looks like my hair, you know what I mean? It's not like overly bulky where you're just like, is this her hair? You know? So
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first.
what's up, y'all? So I forgot to actually show you how I wore my hair the other day when it was straight. I'll try to like put a clip of my snap. Everyone thought it was actually my hair, but it's not. So that first night I got home at like 2 in the morning, so I ended up just sleeping in the wig, in the half wig, which I don't recommend because wig clips can snag at your hair, so that ain't it. Last night I ended up just like wrapping it like this and taking off the wig. Today I want to put some curls in it, so I just want to show y'all that. I know how to use a flat iron to make curls. It's just not what I know how to do. So I got my Conair, you know, little situation. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do.
I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh.
Okay, so now I'm gonna just brush out the curls. I applied some serum. I like this side more. Yeah, ooh, this side looks really pretty. I wanted it to just be like messy waves. Look how effortless this looks.
Time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time.
This has got to be my favorite half wig. Like, I'm gonna put the link to this half wig down below. Hopefully I remember like the density or whatever, but I do know it's from Luvme hair, so regardless, like, you can just check that out. This wig is super comfortable, very easy to apply. I mean, half wigs tend to be super easy anyway. But yeah, this is how I'm gonna be rocking my hair. See the back. Just gonna be flexi rodding it and stuff like that. Ooh, love this. And again, I don't even have this clip in. These are very loose, like, and it's not bulky or anything. It looks very, very natural, so.
You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore.
So if you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting that like button and subscribing if you enjoyed me, my face, my hair, all that good stuff. If you're new to my channel, make sure you check out the rest of my videos. I have a whole bunch of different content on here, so check it out if you're bored. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.